What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cool Matata, and I'm here alive. I just want to give a little quick update that I am alive. I understand I haven't been uploading. For those of you who care about me uploading, appreciate you guys. I am alive. I'm still grinding. This 2 week I have not been working on any rideshare platform because I'm getting my mule finally TOC plated for New York City. Now, I did the process, and the inspection is what holding me up. They put it like for 2 weeks, and I thought it was. I got intel that they usually give you an inspection real quick, but mine was delayed almost 2 weeks. Like, this is ridiculous. But anyway, when you work a lot of hours, like 12, 14-hour days, you tend to lose touch of like small things like movies, your favorite YouTuber videos and stuff like that. So it was nice to, to stay home and catch up on everything. It feels good, it feels like you're alive. Man, just a freaking slave. Anyway, I feel the need to address the autonomous vehicle incident from Uber. I know you've seen it all over the news and stuff like that, but since I made a video saying that Uber was still profitable in 2018 despite all the things that's going on, now let me tell you my opinion on it. So I felt the need that I have to address it since I said that they were still profitable, kind of like giving them like free promotion for no freaking reason. But I do appreciate everybody that has been signing up with my code that has saved my booty in these 2 weeks that I've not worked. Anyway, my opinion on the incident of the Uber, of the autonomous vehicle, is 90% Uber's fault, 10% the passenger's fault. Let me tell you why real quickly. 10% because she was jaywalking. She was crossing the street. Mind you, it looked like a long street without being on a crosswalk for safety. That's one. Okay, that's her fault, 10%. But why 10%? Well, Uber had this autonomous vehicle. Now think about this for 1 second. Critical think. Just don't believe anything the news tells you. Critical think this bit right here. Uber had a self-driving vehicles driving at nighttime. And they're saying that the vehicle couldn't see the person at nighttime because it was too dark. Think about that BS real quick. Pause the video. Think about that for 1 second. How was a vehicle driving, a self-driving vehicle on the road looking for fares, driving at nighttime, and they're saying that it wasn't basically suited to drive at nighttime? You see how dumb and stupid that statement is, and people just swallow this crap up. If the vehicle couldn't possibly have seen that person at nighttime, then it should not have been on the road, period. And a self-driving vehicle that is driving at nighttime is supposed to have freaking night vision, 100%. And if it did, then it should have seen the person, because night vision is even better than freaking seeing it, in the daylight. They can detect more things because it's dark and they are suited for night vision. I don't know if you guys understand me. I just remember like Terminator, like where they don't see like daylight, they see better at nighttime because they have night vision. Okay, enough about more movies. I'm saying too much movies. But just think about this, for 1 second. These guys have this vehicle killing people on the road, and they're saying that it wasn't suited to drive at nighttime. That's like the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life. Now, that's my take on it. Don't believe what a particular YouTuber said about the incident. Don't believe what the news channel tells you. Do your own diligence. Critical think what happened. What was the car doing? what it was supposed to be equipped with, what actually happened, and what they actually said. It was complete BS. 90% Uber, 10% the passenger. I respect everybody's decision and critical thinking, but critical think this. It does not make sense. Don't believe what the news tells you. Do your own diligence. People went to the same place and they showed that it's not as dark as the Uber video said it was. And even if it was, that vehicle should have seen that person. That is my video. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. This is Kumatara out. Peace in the Middle East. Actually, peace in the freaking US. God damn.